Ah, hello. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some more food. So, what do we got? Well, tonight we got another one of Mrs. Chef's old school favorites. Lentils and cauliflower and some spicy stuff. Yeah, it's kind of funny. Years ago, the computer industry didn't pay what it pays now. So I'd come home from working the night shift, or the swing shift, or whatever shift, because I needed the extra money. So my wife had health problems, and we were all struggling. And I'd throw this together. So fast, sometimes I didn't even remember how. So you're getting the slow version of it. Rest assured, these ingredients cook quickly, and so if you want to do it fast, you can. What do we got? Well, tonight, because I had time, I took half a cup of lentils and a cup and a half of chicken stock. Oh, chicken stock. Cook those up together. Takes about half an hour, it's not that bad. You don't actually have to do that. I just did it because I like that better. You can literally throw this all in a pan and have it cook. So, start with the onions. Yeah, I know, how original for this channel. I'm cooking onions. Cut them up fine. There are thousands of tutorials on how to do it. Whatever. So, I got these onions that have been in here about, 5, maybe 7 minutes. Cut up fine. You can see we're just barely getting some color on those. Cooking those in some high temperature olive oil. Oh yeah, cooking. It's so exciting. Let's do the fun stuff. Let's spice it. About a little bit of cumin. Shake, shake, shake your cumin. Wow, there's some puns that can be made with that one. A little bit of coriander. Shake some coriander. Oh, isn't that exciting? Cooking's easy. It really is. I can do it, you can do it, he can do it, she can do it. Okay, a little bit of turmeric. That's that really yellow stuff that smells really strongly in the soup when you cook with it. And we are very low on this bottle. All right. Oh, wow. There's a little bit of odor there. It should be noted that Indian cooking contains a form of butter called ghee. So if you need to make this richer, throw in some butter. Okay. So let's throw in some cauliflower. In this case, it came out as half a head. It's the amount of cauliflower you're going to feed a couple of people. At this point, you could throw in the dry lentils and start cooking those as well. And you want the cauliflower, oh my, that's a good smell. In bite-sized pieces. This is going to cook for about half an hour. So let's throw a little chicken stock on top of that. And if the dry lentils were in there, they'd start cooking now. Always remember to enjoy on chef's privilege. You know, when there's a little bit of that or a little bit of this that you really like, yeah, leftovers are good. Okay. Well, sadly, my bottle of sriracha encountered an issue, and so I had to rebottle sriracha. Or pardon me, generic chili sauce. A little bit of that. Oops. So there are thousands of ways to thicken this if you wish. Cornstarch, potato flour, etc. So yeah. Now you'll note I waited to add the chili sauce because I wanted some liquid in there to blend with it, you know. I think I used to use Tabasco in this. That'll tell you how basic this recipe is. Go to the liquor store, get yourself some Tabasco, you know? Okay. Magic ingredient. Pre-cooked lentils. I'll let you know when I discovered the elixir of life. It's lentils cooked in a good chicken stock. Once you have that, you got food. That's it, you know? So, what do we got? I got raw cauliflower. That's going to take a few minutes to cook. And sadly, I'm out of really bad jokes. So, I'm going to wrap this up. Everything we do here is real time. This is going to need more chicken stock. Let me show you what we got. This is a little dry. So basically, I got to cook the broccoli, and then it's ready. Or pardon me, the cauliflower. And that takes a little bit of moist heat. Okay. Cooking is that easy. Once this cauliflower softens up, it will be a magnificent dinner for Mrs. Chef and myself. Like I said, I used to come home exhausted out of my mind and just put this together so fast. Hang on. Oh, there it is. Ta-da! Lid. Yeah, that's it. So, summarize. You got onion cooked in olive oil. Oh, never do that. You got some cumin, some coriander, some turmeric. Play with those tastes. Find out what you like, what you don't like. Some chili sauce. Yeah. In this case, chili sauce. A fair amount of chicken stock. You know, if you're doing it all in one pan, you need chicken stock to cook the lentils and the cauliflower. If you do it separately, you need chicken stock to cook the lentils, and then you need chicken stock to cook the cauliflower. I just like my lentils a little extra cooked. Chicken stock, chicken stock, chicken stock. So, there are two more ingredients. Two. One of which is a good bit of lime juice. Fresh squeezed, sharp lime juice. The other of which, and you can see my little packets. Everything we do here tends to be pantry friendly. A store that sells wine for $2 a bottle, or used to, also sells snack packs of cashews. Mrs. Chef says I never use enough, so we will use 2 tonight. The advantage of these is packed in an inert gas, I believe. They store well. So, that's it. Onions, cooked in oil, with chicken stock, coriander, cumin, turmeric, chili sauce. Yeah, it's an old recipe. Lentils, cauliflower. Did I already say chicken stock? I think I did. Lime juice, and then when it's ready, throw in some cashews. Chop those up, they'll be nice. This is social media. Please be good social citizens. And subscribe. Yeah. Dinner's that easy. I got a pan. It's full of some ingredients. You saw most of them. And it's just dinner. It's vegetarian. You'll never miss the meat. Go to your doctor. He'll look at you and laugh because you're so healthy. That's it. Thank you. Bye.